I seek your face in the darkness. I feel your grace. Every breath I take, every beat of my heart is a testament to how you never depart. Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, bless my soul. Let your glory unfold. Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, bless my soul. In your hand I am whole. Through the storms and the trials I face, your love remains a saving grace. With every step I trust in your way. You are my strength, my light, my day. Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, bless my soul. Let your glory unfold. Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, bless my soul. In your hands I am whole. Lift me higher, draw me near, cast away every doubt and fear. In your presence I find my rest. With your blessing I am truly blessed. Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, Ropafadzayi Mweya Wangu, Ropafadzayi.